Imagine you build the same wobbly toy bridge over and over, and every time it collapses in a different spot. Your friend down the street solves it once, draws the plan, and never worries again. What if there were trusted blueprints for building software too? So instead of guessing, builders wrote down solutions that already work. A design pattern is a named, reusable blueprint for a problem coders face again and again. It is not finished code you copy. It is a recipe you adapt, like a trusted plan for a strong bridge. Now that we have blueprints, how do we organize them? Builders sorted patterns into three families: creational patterns about making things, structural patterns about connecting things, and behavioral patterns about how things talk. Three shelves in one tidy toolbox, each holding its own kind of trick. Remember the making shelf. The factory pattern is a toy machine. You ask for a car or a robot, and the machine decides which exact toy to build and hands it over. Your code just orders. It never worries about the messy assembly line hidden inside. But some things must be unique, like a school having exactly one principal. The Singleton pattern guarantees only a single copy of something exists, and everyone shares that same one. Ask for it twice and you still get the very same object, never a confusing duplicate. So what about complicated things with many parts, like a giant burger? The builder pattern adds one piece at a time in a clear order, so nothing is forgotten. You choose the bun, the patty, the cheese, then say done, and out comes exactly the object you wanted. Now move to the connecting shelf. Ever tried plugging a foreign charger into your wall? The adapter pattern is that travel plug. It sits between two things that do not fit and translates one shape into another, so old code and new code can finally shake hands. So parts connect, but what if you want extra features? The Decorator pattern wraps an object in new layers, adding abilities without changing the original. Like a plain coffee getting milk, then caramel, then whipped cream. Each wrap adds one power and you can stop whenever you like. But wrapping many parts can get tangled. The Facade pattern hides all that mess behind one friendly button. Press Start Movie, and behind the scenes the screen, speakers, and lights all cooperate. You get one simple control instead of 100 confusing switches. Now the talking shelf. Imagine subscribing to your favorite channel. The observer pattern lets many watchers wait on one thing, and the instant it updates, everyone gets pinged at once. No one keeps asking any news yet. The news simply arrives the moment it happens. So watchers react, but how do they choose how to act? The strategy pattern keeps several interchangeable plans and picks one at runtime, like a map app offering walking, driving, or cycling to the same place. Same goal, different method, swapped instantly without rewriting anything. So we can swap plans, but how do we walk through a whole collection safely? The Iterator pattern hands you a pointer that steps to the next item until none remain. Like turning pages in a book, you never skip, never repeat, and never worry how the pages are stored. But beware, forcing a pattern where it is not needed just adds tangled complexity. Good builders reach for a pattern only when the problem truly calls for it. The simplest solution that works usually wins. Patterns serve the code should never serve the patterns. So when one coder says use an observer here, the whole team instantly pictures the same plan. Design patterns become a shared language, turning long explanations into a single trusted word. That is their real magic. Faster teamwork, fewer mistakes, and blueprints everyone already understands. So remember, patterns are trusted blueprints in three families. Creational patterns make things, structural patterns connect them, and behavioral patterns help them talk. Use them wisely, speak them clearly, and you will build software that is strong, flexible, and easy for anyone to understand.